Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be showing you guys my new updated makeup routine. It's quite simple, it's quite basic. I'm not really that deep into makeup, to be honest, but I will show you guys what I do when, you know, I want to look a little bit more extraordinaire. So first what I'll do is I will moisturize my face, but I already did that because I don't want to look ashy on camera. So I'm going to show you guys the moisturizer that I use. It's actually like an all body moisturizer. It's from Neutrogena. Hopefully it focuses. Yeah, so it's from Neutrogena. It's called Hydro Boost with Body Balm. I usually take this much and then I just apply it all over my face. Just in case you guys are wondering, I put my mirror on this side. So if I'm looking here, just know it's because I'm looking at my mirror. And yeah. So we're gonna start off with my primer. The name of it is Pacifica. It looks like so, and I also have like the Cherry Matte, the setting spray, so I use them together. I like to spray this on my face first. Usually I get really oily around my T-zone, so that's where I'm going to focus the primer, and I just want to like, I guess, slide it on my face. And like my nose is like where I really, well, I look crazy right now, but my nose is where I really tend to have oil. So now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty. Like, come on, you can't go wrong. Fenty Beauty is like the jam. My shade is, what's my shade? My shade is 450. So I usually just squirt like about 2 pumps. These are like my problematic areas, so I just put it there first, and then I kind of go everywhere else. I just find it like this is like the easiest way for me to apply this foundation or foundation in general. And you know, shout out to the people that know how to like color correct. I don't know how to do that. I don't know, I just feel like I'm not necessarily like the best with makeup. I get like when I look at people that like put eyeshadow on and they do such a good job, I'm just like, oh my god, like I wish that could be me. And plus, like, I don't have like big eyelids. Is it big eyelid? I don't have, I hope I'm right. I don't know, I'm kind of, it is late. Listen, it's late, kind of feeling slow, but yeah, my eyelid area is not the biggest, so like it kind of like makes me not even like want to try putting on like, you know, a lot of like eyeshadow, because I just feel like it doesn't work for me. Like I feel like I don't necessarily know how to do, you know, those those intense beautiful looks, so I just really stick to like the basic. I know I kind of look a little bit red, but it's gonna that's a word for it, I forgot the word. Y'all just gonna have to excuse me. So anyways, now that I'm done with my foundation, I'm going to go in with I'm going to highlight. So I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Match stix in the color Suede, and I'm going to start my forehead, and I'm going to go under my eye, and then I'm going to my nose, and then my chin. Okay, I'm being like as gentle as I possibly can. Like I'm not really like, I guess you like my, what am I trying to say? Yeah, I'm just trying to like, I'm just lightly, you know, moving the brush. Like my hand is not heavy on the brush, like I said, like, because I feel like if my hand is heavy, then like the highlight would just like be all over the place, and I don't want that. I kind of want it to be like in a certain area, so I just try to control it as much as possible. As much as possible. Oh my god, I can't even talk properly. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this is so fun for me to do right now. Like I feel so relaxed, and I'm quite happy that I'm actually recording. Like I said, like I was just not, like I really had to force myself to like get up and record, even if it's, you know, midnight. So I'm gonna set my highlighter with the Set and Forget HD 16-hour flawless rub proof wear by our Ruby Kiss. Oh my god, in the shade Riche. So I don't bake because I'm not a baker. No, I don't bake because I just feel like my skin, this is my opinion, alright, if you bake and it works for you, cool. So I mean, I guess from the look of it you can kind of see that like I like my makeup to be as like natural but not natural. I finished you know, highlighting and then setting. What was that? I'm going to contour and I'm going to go in with another Fenty Beauty Match stick in the color Espresso. Don't worry, I know I didn't contour my nose yet. You're gonna see, just enjoy the process. Now that I'm done blending out my contour over my face besides my nose, now I'm going to just I can't talk. Now I'm just going to take the match stick and I'm just gonna, I need a new brush. I'm going to just take the brush and the stick and I'm gonna just do a little bit of this, not really a lot, and then I'm going to contour my nose. I know it's kind of like weird because like a big brush, but it works for me because like I don't like a sharp contour on my nose. I feel like it doesn't work for my face, and so I just like to use like my contour brush and just use it to like contour my nose, and like while I'm contouring it's like blending out, you know, my contour, so it gives me like a soft contour on my nose. So now I'm going to take the brush that I used to highlight and I'm just going to do this. I feel like it just makes the makeup look more blended, I guess that's the word I want to use. So now that I'm done doing that, I don't set my contour. I don't know why, but it's just something that I don't do. I'm trying out this the boyish brow where like it looks untamed but tamed, and I just really like the look. This is like my third time trying it. If you're gonna use soap, I know that you're supposed to use clear soap, but I don't have that at the moment, so I'm just gonna go with what I have. So I put it in a tissue because I don't want my hands to be all soapy. You can't even see it, girl. Alright, let me just do this. How you see my soap? See my soap bar? Alright, cool. It's better to use a spoolie, but I don't have a spoolie at the time, so we're just gonna use what we have. Alright, so this brush is from LA Colors. It's a pencil, so it's a brow pencil, so it comes with like this tiny brush, so that's what I've been using. It works for me, but I think like using a spoolie would be better. I'm just gonna flick it on my brow, right? And I'm doing this before I actually put the brow gel on. So I'm going to I guess carve out or like do my brows with my Lancome Sourcil gel, and this color is, I'm just like flicking like my hand really. I don't really do much because I don't really think I have to do much to do my brows. Well, using the gel anyways. Like if it was like a pencil, I feel like it takes me more time to like adjust my brows to my liking, but I feel like with the gel it's kind of like easier for me. Like I'm flicking my wrist, and in my mind right now all I'm thinking about is look at the flick of the wrist, I can't believe this, I forgot my concealer. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'm going to use my concealer from LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Espresso. Okay, so now after that I'm just going to take my brush. This is like an eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to blend out, you know, the concealer underneath my brow. I just noticed that my brows are not even. I'm just gonna go in with the LA color brown pencil, and I believe this shade is dark brown. This is like still the same brush that the same pencil that I was talking about before. And I'm just going to define, like, I like to define my top arch, I guess that's what you call it. I don't know, don't quote me on that. There. Alright, so I'm done with my brows. Now let's go to something fun, which is a highlight. So I'm going to first use the Lorac Tantalizer Big Bronzer. It doesn't have a shade. Yeah, it doesn't have a shade, but if it does and I don't see it, just don't worry, I'll put everything in the description box, like I said. And then after that, I'm going to put an eyeshadow color right on top of that, and this is from Sephora. The color is called Twinkle Twinkle, and it's so pretty. So I'm just doing this on one side of the brush, and then I'm just gonna 1, 2, 3, and really just highlight. I know you guys can see that. Can you guys see that? And I'm using the same highlighter, but I'm gonna do this, and then I'm just gonna like take it off a little bit off of the brush, because I don't want it to be like boom. I kind of want it to be like boom but not boom boom, you know. what does that mean? Got that down. I'm going to take the eyeshadow that I'm going to use as a highlighter, and then I'm going to do the same. But I'm not gonna lie, this is very pigmented, so be careful if you're going to use this. And now I'm going to use whatever is left on the brush and do my chin and my forehead, and then I'm actually going to use a smaller brush for my nose, because like I said, this is very glittery and I want it to be as precise as possible. Ooh, that was a lot that I just put on the brush. So that is it. Now sometimes I do highlight other parts of like my face. Like I will highlight like under my brow, like the arch of my brow, and I'll highlight my teardrop area. So for the sake of this video, let's do it. So I'm just going to take the same brush, and I'm going to take the first part that I was using as a highlighter. I'm sorry if you guys can hear noise. Like I had to open my window because it tends to get really hot in my room when I'm filming. So here we go, and then we're just going to do the eyelashes. Spray one more time, and now I'm just going to spray my face. Just spray it. Bam! And then woo, child. Woo! Wow. Most of the time I am a lip gloss girl, so my favorite one right now is by Fenty Beauty, of course. It's the Gloss Balm in the color Hot Chocolit. So I already put on like a moisturizer on my lip. I used the Carmex Fresh Cherry. I don't do eyeliner. I said eyeliner, oh my god, I don't do lip liner, okay? Maybe sometimes, but it's really rare for me to do a lip liner on my lip. I like the shape of my lip, and once more, I try to be as natural but still make-up-y look as much as possible. So I am done. This is the final look. Let me just move in a little bit closer so you guys can see what's up. Hi. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't comment what? Please comment. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I can't even say this with a straight face. Oh my gosh, y'all see how much of a clown I am, right? In reality, this is what I don't like talking. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next. Bye. Mwah.